my channel. It's Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I have a really fun wig review for you today. This is a Persephone wig. So the package that it comes in, I get them from Amazon. I actually do work with Persephone on occasion, so I have a whole Persephone playlist. I also have an Amazon playlist, so any of the wigs I get from Amazon will be on there. I always put a wig cap in, which is awesome. So this is their long, wavy, the names are crazy, so I will put it in the description box as well as in the title and the link and everything. But these are their long, wavy, this is sort of like a ashy pink. The reason I got this wig was because I have 2 wigs from Charisma. I love Charisma as well. You get them on Amazon. I really feel like Charisma and Persephone at least get wigs from the same place, the same manufacturer, because they're so similar, it's unreal. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. I have a wig that's one of my favorite wigs in general, but it's from Charisma. It was similar to this, but it's a little bit shorter. Then I got a short version of that wig. And then when I saw this, I'm like, oh, I have to have this. I'm gonna wear this for my birthday party. The construction you'll see in the clips where I get her together. She is very, very long. She's at least 26 inches long, 24. The texture, there's a silkiness to it, but there's a little bit of a grip. I would not say it was a yucky texture. I think this is an option for multicultural hair types and textures. But there is sort of a like when you go swimming and you let your hair dry and it has, you know, it has that grit in it. The rooting is definitely like a 1B probably situation, maybe a number 2, maybe a number 2. I love these wigs because you can really customize the hairline. Like, I'm not wearing it right now, I'm wearing it tomorrow, so I haven't customized it, but the lace is ear-to-ear lace, so I can really customize this to my liking, which I will do. It is a large wig cap. I do find Charisma wigs in general are large wig caps, as well as Persephone, so that's something to keep in mind. Let's look at her from the back. I'm getting a little bit of shedding, but I did just cut the lace off. Oh yeah, so pretty. I love the movement. I just love these wigs, I really do. So let's look at her next to the 2 wigs that I thought that she would be similar to. First, this is the one from Charisma, and this is like one of my favorite wigs. It's a very similar texture, and I do feel like it's basically the same. It's the same coloring, it's the same everything. It's just shorter. So if you like this, but you want, is it shorter? I don't know. Yeah, this one's definitely a little bit shorter, because this is where it would be. If you like this wig, but you want something a little bit shorter. I'm also going to say that this wig here it's not a thick density, but I do feel like it's a thicker, there's more hair, like the weight, I can feel a little bit more weight on the hair for this Persephone wig, seriously, as opposed to this Charisma wig. I would say with the Charisma wig, there is a little bit more of a yuckiness. So if you want a little bit more grip, go with this one. If not, go with this one. I've worn this a jillion times and I have not had any problems with her. But yeah, I think it's a little bit yuckier. Maybe a hair lighter, but that's it. So I'm pleased on that front. And then this is the Charisma wig that I got. That's the shorter version. She was like laying over there, so yeah, similar texture. This one's definitely slightly lighter and maybe less ashier. And yeah, this is a number 2 root because this is definitely a 1B. So if you like this, but you want a short version, then go with the Charisma short version. I love this color. I love this color wig. This is like awesome. I'm so happy with it. I'm very, very pleased. See, I'm going to cut this back here. So I definitely say go with this wig if you like it. I'll put the price down below. It's like around $38, I would say. Persephone and Charisma hover around the sort of 35 to 40 range. And yeah, so do you have this wig? Do you have any other Persephone wigs? What do you think about them? Do you have Charisma wigs? What do you think about those? If there's another Persephone wig you would like me to review, please put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!